Hello, I'm going to show you how to draw this insulation in NanoCAD. So from your keyboard, keep your eye on this command area here. Type in line type, line style, and hit enter. Now I have it loaded in already, but to load it in, you come up to this icon called load line type, and it should open you up into this folder. Find this NCAD.iso and hit open, and then in this list look for batting. There it is. So with that highlighted, you just select OK. I've already loaded it, so I'm gonna say no, but you say yes. Well, this box won't appear for you if you haven't loaded it before. Okay, so hit OK, and then when you draw a line, you can select the line, come up to line type, and change it to batting. And there it is. And to change the size of the batting, highlight it and come up to line type scale and change that to whatever number you want. You can even use decimals. 2.546. And to change the thickness of this, you go into line weight and just choose a thicker line weight.